እንዴት ናችሁ ጓደኞች? የመርብል ቤተሰብ የሆናችሁ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታይ የሆናችሁ አበሾች ወንድማችሁ ነው። ተከተሉት። ጥሩ ጥሩ ነገሮችን ያቀርባል። ሰላምን እንመኝላችኋለን። መልካም ጊዜ።
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you guys like always. Right now in New Jersey we're having our first mega storm, you know, and I decided to share it with you guys. So guys, as you can see here, I had to be a bit creative. Follow me and let's explore together. Well, that's not really exploring, but let's go. That was crazy. Okay, let's go. This is what adventure is all about, especially when you're out here in nature. Come on, we're going. So, this is what we do when we're out here in nature. Yummy! Okay, so this is really crazy, but I'm about to attempt to do something really wild. So let's see what we can find, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
For some reason, it feels
That's
so
how I
weird
swim.
being out
Backstroke.
here having this kind of fun. Because when you are an adult, I don't think you were meant to have this kind of fun. This is more for your kids and, you know, just the little ones. But when you are a big fan of nature like I am, whenever I see something beautiful like this, I always try to enjoy the moment. What I'm about to do now, I have no business doing anything like this. As you can see, it was successful. It was a bit scary because at my current age, I have no business doing anything like this. But however, you know what? I feel amazing, so why not do amazing things?
So guys, you came, you saw, hopefully you like. If it's your first time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Oh my god.